we are actually finishing up the Corvette here. So if you didn't see my last video, we went ahead and did one little test pass, and I had a little bit of an oops and ended up breaking the radiator out of here. So I got a new radiator. Actually, we're gonna take the radiator that was in the Cavalier here, so that ended up being a good purchase anyway, because that radiator actually fits absolutely perfect in here. The only thing I'm gonna have to do is take off the clutch fan here because I need a little bit more distance, and you know, trying this thing out while we were up there, definitely understand that I'm gonna have to take that off, and it's gonna just have to get electric fans, which isn't a big deal. I can wire them to a switch and a temperature gauge later, and that's the way we're gonna do it. So today we're also, as you see by the first couple clips, mounting and balancing our wheels and tires that are going to go on this thing. So originally, these wheels and tires were gonna be for that Jeep build over there. However, they're actually gonna go on the Corvette today. I put them on here, as you've seen in the last video, just to kind of look at it and see what I thought about it, and it turned out absolutely killer. So I can't not put these things on here. They look badass, and I freaking love it. So without further ado, I'm gonna keep plugging and chugging. We're actually gonna get the Civic off the lift here. That's another project. Let me know if you guys actually like seeing stuff like this. So this whole Civic here, sorry to jump off the topic here, but I just want to kind of know, because obviously you guys like to watch some of the content that I do. I want to know what you guys actually like. So this thing here, I bought for like $500 or $600. It was obviously wrecked here in the front. I'll put up a couple pictures now. Bro, seriously? Seriously? Unbelievable. Is he gonna eat it? Hey. Yes, that looks absolutely killer on here. And again, I am freaking excited to get this thing done. I'm freaking pumped. I gotta kind of go up real quick so I don't reveal something that you'll see in a later video, or maybe you already seen that video, I'm not really sure. But we've got the wheels and tires over here. Obviously, huge shout out to JS Coating 717 for powder coating these wheels. He went ahead and we powder coated the barrels gloss black, and then we did a desert tan. It's actually like a peach color that I was intended to do this vehicle, but somebody in the YouTube world did a peach vehicle, and I don't want them to think I'm copying them, so I'm just going to change these up. These are going to go on the Corvette desert tan, and it's going to look killer. But for now, we have the old wheels off my old XJ. We're going to take these off, get these mounted on the other wheels. Yes, this tire is a little bit different. The other one is, I think I got a screw in the tread or a nail in the tread, so it's outside. I am going to mount it on the other wheel, but I want to repair it first. But for now, we can put these on. These are going to be the same. And since I have 5 wheels, this one, then once I get the other one, we'll go back up on the roof for a spare. And of course, tread pattern won't matter when it's a spare. So let me go ahead and set up a GoPro here. I'm going to get these mounted, then we'll get them tossed the rest of the way on the Corvette. And we might go play today. Stay tuned, we might go play, because I did get a radiator in, which I think you might have already seen in this video. But I kind of want to enjoy that thing. I kind of want to play with it, and you guys might just see it today. I don't know what the title on the thumbnail says, but you're probably going to see it. Probably going to happen. Probably going to play. Probably going to tear some more stuff up, because I want to see what these tires do. How's everybody's weekend out there doing, by the way? I'm just always curious about that. I know a lot of us are car guys and girls, and we go out and do our own projects, or do you guys pay people to do your projects? Let me know. I'm going to assume that most of my clientele or most of my people that follow me are do-it-yourselfers. So drop your comments down below. What'd you do this weekend? We gotta let the air come out then. Alrighty, guys and girls. Well, editing this video out, I decided I needed more for you guys. I didn't want it to be boring, so I went ahead and did a lot more wiring. As you do know, on the other side, I used to have the battery over there. Now we've got a battery that's actually in the factory location. And again, I'm just putting this at the beginning of the video. I just figured, what the heck, you guys like this kind of content, I hope. But I didn't want to have a complete boring video. I wanted to have some updates. So the battery is in the factory location, and then we have two different things going on here. I did tell you guys I originally wanted to go ahead and do the key. Oh, let me get in here. It's a little tough to get in and out of, but I told you originally I wanted a key to work for the ignition. So we've got ignition. As you can tell, half of the gauges don't work, so we're gonna have to figure that one out. But then we can turn the key. We've got lights. Yes, that one doesn't work 100%. Come around over here to the back. Cam, can you hit this brake pedal? Coming over here to the back, as you can tell, we've got our lights. We've got everything going for that. The Blazer taillights will be different. They're going to be on the Blazer switch.
Sorry, I was just checking off the front.
That's all right. Bam. Brake lights and off and on. Oh, I'm excited. So we've got brake lights, we've got turn signals. I've got everything going on here. I'll just pop the 4-ways on for you guys so that you can see that we have 4-ways. Now I do have a light bulb out in the front, but bam. Come up here to the front. Bam, I do have that light out. But there you guys have it. We are working our way to getting this thing where we want it to be, plugging and chugging, and it should actually fire up too. All from that one battery, and I don't have anything crazy. Oh, the battery's dead. Darn it. All right, roll the footage from the rest of it.
Had it. If we just could get out of that mud and back onto this dry stuff, you would have been good. Like on drag slicks now because the tires are full of mud. All right, come on. There we go. That's all she got. Dude, it's because you're slammed. You keep skidding on the ground, so it slows you down.
Look at this. Look on my lap right now.
It looks fantastic, though.
Look on my lap right now. I'm just covered with leaves and mud and...
Dude, that's all part of the Subaru experience, the WRX experience right here. This thing is clean as hell. Mint.
Was clean.
You're gonna really like that video of you slamming into that rock at like 20 miles an hour. That's gonna. Oh! Steve, wait! Wait! Hang on. Wait! It's gonna end badly. That's where it's gonna end. Oh my god, dude, you're so close to just flying. That's just like a cliff. Dude, you're nuts.
It's so close to wanting to do it.
aside from him slamming into that rock. I guess two-wheel drive would be a little better. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, I just took a rock to the hand. Ow. Dude, I almost got killed.
The fact that it gets this much traction kind of makes me mad.
Yeah, it's too good. It's too good at its job.
Too good.
Look what you did to me. You see that right there?
Oh man, I'm sorry.
That hurt, man.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I get paid for this.
Man, oh day, does that look absolutely killer to say the least. So these are 35s and this is a stock Blazer frame. However, if you can tell the way I have it set up here, I actually had to move the body forward a little bit, and that's only to clear the tire because I wanted to be able to turn. I didn't want to cut into the body, but I don't like it. I don't like the fact that it looks like the rear, as you can tell, it honestly looks like the rear tire is, you know, back too far. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, this was just a quick, quick little job to move it forward. What I'm going to do, typically this here is actually like right here. So it's actually like about 1.5 inches back. I am going to go ahead and move the car back, and I think what we're going to do is go ahead and get a hold of Rough Country and see what kind of lift kit we can do. So I'm going to have to go ahead and sign off here for you guys. Unfortunately, I wanted to make this video for Monday, actually Sunday, and today's now Monday, but it is what it is. You got to plug and chug and just get things done that you can. So I'm going to go ahead and not end this video, but I'm going to go ahead and pick back up probably in about a week or a couple days. Alrighty, boys and girls. Well, as you can tell, I went ahead and hit up Rough Country. So we are going to actually do a lift kit to this thing. I'm excited. I don't want to go too crazy. If you guys do remember the channel back before, I did have the lifted Honda Civic, the Bruce Project, and that thing was just a little too tall, a little too gnarly, and it was not at all going to be good to drive down the street, and that's what I wanted to do. And 100% that's what I want to do with this project. I want to be able to take it up to Roush Creek. I want to be able to run green, blue trails, maybe some black trails, maybe some, no, we're not going to run any red trails, but I want to get this thing up there and just kind of wheel it, have fun for the day, drive home. And it's more about just having fun with friends and family and just getting people's reactions and everything outside. So again, we went ahead and paired up with Rough Country here. I don't know when you're going to see this install video, but I wanted to get a little bit more ground clearance out of this thing. As you can tell, the 35s do clear. The other thing is I did go ahead and move the body where I wanted it. As you can tell, it's a little forward here and a little back. but this is absolutely perfect where I wanted to sit it. Plus, if you guys did see, a bunch of you guys were complaining in the last video that the rear was sitting a little low. Originally, I wanted to put a light bar here between the bumper and the bumper, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to fabricate up like a hitch or something similar to the Cavalier project back there and just go ahead and make this thing kind of a little bit more unique. I also want to have a hitch on the back in case I want to tow one of my projects. A lot of you guys were talking about the engine. The engine is just a stock 4.3 for right now. Again, I just wanted something that I could throw together and enjoy for this summer and just kind of have some fun with it. When that engine lets loose, we will go ahead and upgrade it. And you guys pretty much probably already know the engine choice I have in mind, but I might switch it up. I have been looking for a certain engine power plant that I do want to put in this thing. The problem is they're hard to find cheaply. So if I can find a whole setup with it and it's going to be under $1,000, I'm going to try to purchase it. But again, I'm not going to try to blow this thing up until I have the engine swap that I want to put in it. And I think it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to be one that I've never seen before in a Corvette, and it's going to be one for the record books. A bunch of you guys probably think I'm going to LS swap it, but I don't think we're going to LS swap it. I think we're going to change it up and do something different. But again, that's months down the road. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I do have like 3 more videos I got to get out. I'm going to go ahead and edit them out today, and then I'll just be able to place them out so that I can continue working on the project that I have behind us, because that project means a lot to me, and I don't want to give away too much. But there you guys have it. Hope you do enjoy it. Drop in the comment section, Rough Country. As always, true supporter of the channel. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Upcoming video is going to be Karen's Cavalier back here. You're going to like this one.